Hello Android users, so in this video I will tell you if you have shared your Insta link on your WhatsApp profile, then how do you limit or maybe just check who can see the link, right? So go to your WhatsApp directly, click on the settings by tapping on three dots on top right corner, and where you have to go is that there is an option of privacy here, and you see another option of links, right now it is on for everyone, but if I click for my contacts, only my contacts whose number is saved in my phone will be able to see. Nobody means nobody will be able to see. So well, that there's no point of adding the link also, right? But if you want that some people should not be allowed to see, then tap on my contacts accept, and then select the contacts you don't want to show your link to, right? So these are the options who can see links on your profile. Thank you so much for watching. In case you don't know how to attach your Insta link to your WhatsApp profile, then check out the other video. See you in the next video. Till then, tada.